Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use VPN on Brave browser. So if you see down here, you can use the Brave VPN. So you can go ahead and press start free trial. And this will allow you to start a free trial where you can try it out. So go ahead and put an email address to start the free trial. Then you will see a login email is on its way. So go ahead and click on the login link. So go ahead and confirm your email. So as you can see, we can do a 7-month free trial. So go ahead and do this. You can go ahead and put in all of your information. Yeah, you should get 7 days free. So go ahead and fill out this information and press start trial. So as you can see, I have done this. So you can go onto your Brave browser. Then you can go up to here, you go to Brave VPN, click on already purchased Brave VPN. Sign in with that email address. So and again, go onto your email. So what you need to do is copy and paste this link and do it into your browser here, and then this will allow your Brave VPN details to be loaded, and then you can go ahead and click on it down here. So you can go to Brave VPN, press connect, and this will connect it. You press change here. You can choose from the different servers here. Go on to settings and toggle it on and off here. So yeah, that's how you use VPN on Brave browser. Hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.